see that?
Well, I was about to shoot and it started to rain. Rain is a good sign, isn't it? Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Gold Dust Films. In this video, we're gonna work on my bike a bit. You already know that I own a Royal Enfield Classic 350 and my bike is around 5 years old. The maintenance that I'm gonna do now is actually, replace the battery on my bike. Why am I making this video is because I'm gonna upgrade from the conventional liquid battery that is there on the bike or the lead acid battery to a dry battery. The BS4 and the BS6 models do come with the dry battery from the factory itself. So why am I doing this? Again, you all know the trouble with a liquid battery, right? So the leakage issues, rusting issues and all that. So what we are gonna do is just quickly go dive into fixing the part.
Okay, so the ignition is on and you see that? So that's the issue, it doesn't self start. That's all because of the battery. So what I'm gonna do is firstly remove the battery cover here. I told you, right, it's totally rusted and doesn't want to open so easily. Good amount of rust. That's the old liquid battery and you can already see a lot of leakage. There you go. Now first let's disconnect the terminals. The negative is disconnected now. Let's do the same thing on the other side as well. There you go. Yeah, so that's the old battery. This is Exide 12BI14LA2. This is a liquid battery and it says 18 months warranty, but it lasted me 4 years, 4 good years, so that's good enough. Okay, and I can see a bit of swelling here as well on this side. So yeah, it's come to the end of its life. Alright, so this is the new battery, which is XLT-Z9 by Exide. This is 48 months of warranty. It says non-spillable, sealed, zero maintenance, factory charged, and here the MRP is 2179, but I paid 2150 rupees. Okay, there you go. This is what is gonna get fitted right here. There you go. But if you see the size of these two is so different. This is taller and this broader. You see this? So this will not directly fit here this way. That is because you see this angle here. This will stop this battery from slipping through. So what we need to do is we need to modify this a bit. Okay, and also old cover has to be replaced. Okay, before that I'll show you. This is the new cover from Royal Enfield. Only thing is this comes only in black. My bike is a maroon color bike, but we'll see, we'll get it repainted later if needed. If it doesn't blend well, I would get it repainted. That is how it is going to fit. Okay, so now we modify this angle to get this thing in. You need a plier to bend this over. I'm gonna use 2 pliers. What I'm gonna do is just get this thing straightened up. There you go. that's how it has to fit in. Now I'm gonna make a mark here. Here's the marking. That way. And that is it. So this is gonna slide right in that way. You just need to make sure that you connect the terminals correctly, because electricals are integral part of your bike. Without it, your bike won't run the way it should. Before we put on the battery cover, let's check if the self start works. Boom. Okay, it works perfect, nice and tight. Before we put on the cover, we need to make sure we fix the lock. I'm gonna remove this pin out. Pull out the old pin and the lock is just gonna slide out. Slide this thing in and we slip on this clip here. That's it. Okay, so we are done, but there's one last thing pending. We have to put on a sticker right here. I'll quickly do that. There you go. That is complete.
Alright guys, so I think we got the job done really neat and quick. And that's about it. You just have to put in a new battery and replace the cover and you're all set. And it's very easy to do it by yourself. It's a DIY project which you can do it at home. If you like doing DIY stuff, then spare some time with your bike. Also, you get to bond a little more with the bike when you do all these things. It also helps when you're out there going on long rides and something happens to your bike. Unfortunately, that's what nothing happens, but if it does happen, you will have good hands on the bike. Okay, and this is how you get things done. You try to do things by yourself and you gain more experience. You know your bike. That's it. You can fix issues by yourself. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like it, do give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also share this content with the people who are looking for an upgrade on their old bike.